Hi class. We're starting Module 4 already, and we're almost halfway through the semester. And Module 4 is a really interesting module because in this module you're going to learn the skills of writing an effective argument paper. These skills will really help you do well in English 101. And what you're going to learn is some points about argumentation and presenting your perspective and your side. You're going to learn what are known as logical fallacies, and you're going to learn to present an argument with your facts and to give your perspective. Now, I want you to understand that there's a huge difference between opinion and perspective. Your perspective is your views on a particular issue. And of course, your views can always change, like an opinion. But an opinion is not something that could be argued. So your perspective is either for something or it's against something. So in other words, the topic has to be really strong. So in other words, if you had an opinion about McDonald's and you love McDonald's or you hate McDonald's, that's not really something we can argue because it's your personal preference. But if you had a perspective that McDonald's does not serve healthy food and you had support for that, that would be a perspective. Or you could take another perspective with McDonald's. You can say, well, it's so popular. Look at all the chains here and around the world. And people obviously enjoy it. See, those are two different perspectives, not opinions. So in this chapter, you're going to learn how to write an effective argument. And you're going to learn the skills of logical fallacies. And you're going to do some different reading assignments that will help you write a really good, effective argumentation paper. Now, with that said, this paper is going to be a little more difficult than your past papers. So you have a responsibility with this paper to have it well written with grammar and run-on sentences and fragments really looked at and proofread, and also pronoun references like you learned in the last chapters. Because when you're presenting an argument, and if you have grammatically incorrect sentences, that says a lot about you, and you don't want to be perceived in a negative light, and you want your audience to listen to you at least and to hear your perspective. And so you have to be taken seriously. Now, this paper that you're writing and all the writing we're going to do after this paper is going to open the doors to prepare you for English 101. So I hope you have a good time with this chapter. Really proofread your paper before you turn this one in. You also might want to consider reading it out loud to yourself or to somebody who has a different opinion than you or a different perspective than you, and see how it's taken and if that person listens to what you have to say. So it's not a fight, it's just a presentation of your perspective and supported with facts. Alrighty, have a good time with this. Bye.